onto North Grano Road.
YouTube, what's going on, guys and ladies? We are headed out on another one. We've got a defrost board bad today, and I'll go through and let you. Man, that was kind of a spoiler, wasn't it? Yeah, let's not do that. I hadn't been making a lot of videos, and I just haven't had the time. I've been trying to work out this issue with my car. It's been kind of bad. The first shop it started in, just to give you a little brief, if you're interested, guys. If you're not, you can cut the tape, fast forward, or whatever. But
in half a mile, turn right onto Rock Creek Parkway.
So the first shop, we got custom frame done and part of the fabrication on the body done, and work just stopped. And after 7 months of sitting in the shop and just collecting dust, when everything was fully paid, I was paying before the work was done, so I pulled my car out, and after some BBB work and complaints and a whole bunch of other stuff, I finally got some of that money back.
Turn right onto Rock Creek Parkway.
Basically through disputing it on the credit card. And anyway, so I took it, put it in the second shop.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Clubhouse Drive.
And not a lot of work got done in that shop. Some work got done, not a lot. And long story short, my car just sat, and he kept pulling other cars in the shop and working on them, and my car sat in the second shop for about 6 or 7 months. So anyway, I had to pull it out of the second shop.
Turn right onto Clubhouse Drive.
So now I'm not prepaying for any jobs anymore, and I'm going to be putting it in a third shop. It's going to a third shop now.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Cross Creek.
I've still got to go pick up get the car over there to the new shop, and I've already got the deposit and the amount of money paid and everything as far as the deposit, so that's the story on the car. I probably got, once it goes in the shop, he tells me within 6 months we should be ready for some glass and some engine work to get the car running. So I'm probably going to wait on the paint job just until I get it running, get it on the road. It's been so long now. I've had so many setbacks and so many problems with restoration people that have legitimate businesses doing it. It's unbelievable. I've probably spent a total of maybe up to this date now, probably about 10 grand. So
Turn right onto Cross Creek, then turn right onto Cumberland Road.
not that bad to have a full custom frame, airbags installed. how hard could it have been to run a third wire and hook up our ground. So we got another death machine right here, and when we get done, half these bushes will probably be gone, but she's gonna have a ground. Alright, so let's get some footage on this one, guys. We got a thermostat bad. Thermostat was not cutting on the outdoor unit. So we put them in a Pro Series Honeywell here. It's a heat pump system. And so we got the outdoor unit turning on now, but I want to get a little bit of shot of this because we are on kind of an electrical thing right now with electrical safety with the last video I did, so thought I'd kind of get a shot of this. We were just checking everything on the indoor, and yeah, I got a new bag, and so we put a thermostat on for him and got the unit running. But we came up here, and I don't know if you can see it now. I'll have to probably go get the light here. Let me go grab the light real quick. Okay, we are back up here with our new DeWalt light here. It's a 5 amp hour battery. It's a really big battery. I'm kind of stoked about it. It's really bright, but yeah, get this thing to hang it with. You know, you can hang it, but it's not magnetic. That's about the only bad thing about it is there's no magnets. Anyway, back to where we were. So we came over to our unit here and we cleared the line, the condensate line out, and put a new section of line in there and a new P-trap, because this old P-trap just had so much corrosion inside it and so much gunk on the inside of the walls that we just went ahead and put them in a bent. I had a bent P-trap on me, so we just went ahead and put it in there. And that's what we did. So we were coming through and we seen this. That's an electrical box just open, and that's really, you know, it's not a big deal, right? Even though that white wire got no cap on it. That white wire is just a neutral, and the black is hot. So we're okay on that box, but we were scooting out of this thing, and we got a line that comes down here. What is going on here? So I thought, well, we'll test that black wire right there, and we'll see if it's hot. And guys, you already know, but we'll set it up here and see if I can't get a shot for you. I'm going to go to ground, to black. So there it is. We got 122.8. And look at this, guys. Our neutral's capped. Do you believe that? But they didn't cap it black. So I'm just going to do them a favor here. We're going to cap it black off. Bend the wires away. And we'll let them know about it when we get down. It didn't hit me and it didn't shock me or nothing, but it wasn't nice having it right there. I've got just this little bitty tiny pathway to go through between here and there. And I was touching this box and I was touching that side, just getting through. I've got a jacket on, but hey, anyway, check this out, guys. Look. Check that out. They flushed that 2x4. They flushed that ceiling support. Flushed it with the return box. And I guess if you ain't got no more room to go one way, then you make it work. Check that out. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Alright, guys, well, just wanted to give a quick one here and say thanks to all you guys on YouTube and putting up the time and everything to make a video, and thank you for watching my videos, and hey, you guys stay safe out there. All right.
Hopefully next time you come it'll look a lot different.
Yeah, hopefully, for sure. Got some work here on the door. Started here. But, here we are, update. Got Bondo going on, ain't been sanded yet. It has started, officially. The body work has started. And the last shop I had it in, the guy had some heart trouble and was having to go into the hospital, and so I had to find a new guy and bring it to yet another shop. So we've got work starting, and he's going to French the headlights in. And I just want to give you guys a quick update. So I'm coming out of Publix and how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 6th one across it.